It's finally here, the Galaxy Z Flip6, and let's just get straight into what's inside of it. There's a huge amount of Flip fans out there, but is it worth upgrading? We're gonna see. I'm gonna do a full review of it at some stage, but let's have a look inside the actual box. Great, so this is obviously from South Africa, so this is South Africa, which comes with a 24-month warranty. Here, do not accept if the seal is broken. This is fresh. Peel that off. The unit that we received is the yellow unit. Oh wow, it's got packaging on the other side here. Forgot about this. Satisfying. There we go. So obviously let's straight up into the phone. Stunning. This yellow color is so nice. I really like that, like Samsung went into this kind of yellow with the ultras as well. Listen to this. Hey. Also, very happy this isn't plastic. It looks like it's a composite of plastic of some kind, but I guess maybe it's a different kind of material because of the fold. And then cover screen, there's a little decal stating that this is the SIM tray, and there you have it. A lot of nice sounds coming out of this thing. Oh, it's so nice, eh? I really do think foldables are going to be the way forward, and this is the closest that you're going to have that's comparable with an S24 device. And that hinge, you can barely see it. I don't know what it's going to look like over time, but you can barely see that hinge. It's a very good looking phone. Okay. So cool. Let's see what's inside here. No charging brick, of course. SIM card tray. Poker. What do you guys call this thing? SIM card tray poker. Ejection pin. That's what. That's the official term in the manual. It's an ejection pin. So that's the contents of the box. Straight up. Let's see it switch on. I think this one might be dead. Yeah, I think. Oh, there we go. It's on. It's alive. One of the things that I really noticed around here is this rim is protecting the screen. There is it seems to be some kind of like other protective layer, but we know from experience that you don't peel that protective layer off. But look, even on a white screen, that's it's not very noticeable, that crease. I don't know if that crease increases over time, but it's not very noticeable at all. I would have liked to see the cover display switch on with the setup. Okay, I'm gonna agree to all. I'm just gonna get straight into this. Set up manually. Okay, so this is interesting. So it comes up when you set it up with something to take care of your phone, pressing the screen or the front camera lens with a hard or sharp object such as the ejection pin. Don't do that. My intrusive thoughts. Or a fingernail. So if you've got long fingernails, that might be a problem. May cause damage such as scratches or dents. When you fold the phone, make sure that there's nothing inside obvious. This phone isn't dust resistant. Okay, cool. So it's IP6 or IPX what? IPX5. Actually, I'm just double checking that. It's IPX5 or 6. Exposure to small particles such as sand may cause damage. Don't take this to the beach. This phone is water resistant. Immersion to any liquid other than fresh water such as salt water or alcohol can damage your phone. Don't remove the protective film. We're talking about that. Intrusive thoughts. Or apply any other films or stickers. Oh, you don't want to put your own protective film over here as you can damage the screen. That makes sense. Your phone contains magnets. Keep it away from credit cards and devices that may be affected from magnets and at least 15 centimeters away from implantable medical devices. Oh, the magnets are in the screen, right? So when it slaps closed, it pops the magnets. Okay, got you. Okay, we all set up. Woohoo! It looks very nice. Come have a look at this one.
Ooh, it matches my top.
It does match your top, so I'm kind of upset.
It actually matches my outfit. I think I
Folded.
might. You know what I want to do is, like, if you have like a yap with someone and you irritated or like a spam caller, then you can just be like, ah!
Hybo! You nearly broke it!
No, I didn't.
But look at the crease, it's, yeah. Oh yeah, this is the...
I clearly like yellow.
Yeah. But yeah, it looks good.
Oh, I didn't even notice the gold. gold. Oh my god.
And what does the front screen look? So if we do this, and
Sorry, my fingerprints are all over it now.
Here's the cover screen preview. So you can.
I think I'm gonna. Oh gosh. Oh goodness me! I'm just getting my head on.
And think it's cool, hey?
I'm gonna steal this.
Wonder what gaming is gonna be like on here. It's very cool. Very cool. Anyway, that's the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6. We're going to have a full review in the next couple of weeks on it if you want to hear a little bit more about it. If you are thinking about picking one up, there's a link in the description. It really helps the channel out. And also, make sure that you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. That also helps the channel a lot. We do have a bunch of different covers that we're going to be going through. Stay tuned for that if you want to see what cover works with yours. I think these are all the official covers for the Z Flip 6. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Cheers.